Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
To begin, open your Roblox app or website and log into your account. Navigate to the Settings menu, which you can usually find by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. From there, select Privacy. This section is where we'll handle the initial age verification. Please remember, Roblox strictly enforces the age requirement of 13 years or older for spatial voice to comply with online safety regulations. This setup ensures a secure environment for all users. After clicking Verify My Age, you'll be guided through a secure process to confirm your identity. Roblox partners with a third-party service to handle this verification, ensuring your data remains private. You'll need to photograph your government-issued ID and then take a selfie to match it. This process typically takes only a few minutes to complete. Once submitted, verification usually happens within a few moments or up to several hours, depending on system load. With your age successfully verified, head back to your account's privacy settings. You should now see a new option, Enable Spatial Voice, available to activate. Click this toggle to turn it green, indicating that voice chat is now active on your account. If you don't see it immediately, try logging out and back into Roblox. Remember, this feature integrates directly into supported experiences, allowing natural communication with others around you. Once spatial voice is enabled, you can jump into any Roblox experience that supports this feature. You'll know voice chat is active when you see a small microphone icon above your avatar and other players. This icon will change to a faded state when you're speaking, indicating your microphone is picking up sound. Clicking the microphone icon next to your name will toggle your personal mute, providing quick control over your audio input during gameplay. Enjoy seamless communication. For troubleshooting, first ensure Roblox has microphone access in your device's privacy settings. If issues persist, try restarting Roblox or your device. Regarding safety, Roblox has robust moderation for spatial voice. Always use the in-game report feature for any inappropriate conduct. You can also quickly mute individual players directly within an experience if needed. Keep conversations respectful and always prioritize your online safety while enjoying voice chat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.